Everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Train. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Inimba from the 27th to the 29th of April 2026 on Monday. Panic set in as the Mabandla family is forced to confront a terrifying reality. Could they lose another child? Lazarus offers Azande a way out, but the choice will define his future. Old alliances resurface when they are needed the most on Tuesday. The aftermath of Yanga's condition forces the Mabandla family to confront how close they come to losing it all, and the family will never be the same. Mawetu and Portia blur the lines between past and present, and a shift in power begin to take shape at Kusela on Wednesday. The fallout from recent events continue to ripple through the Ngugana family. Zoleka tightened her grip as tension rises within the household. Azande makes a power move that set things off in a new direction that could shake up many relationships. On Thursday, emotion runs high as the family struggle to regain control after a tragedy. Lazarus is forced to confront a truth he can no longer ignore. A new threat begins to emerge from where it's least expected. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.